Hi everyone, this is Jon Schwabish from PolicyViz, coming to you with another DataViz critique. This is actually going to be kind of two critiques in one, and it's actually not really going to be like a negative critique. It's actually going to be a positive critique. I'm going to show you some stuff that I really like. What you see here is a piece from the New York Times back in 2015, part of their You Draw It series. They don't really do these anymore. I don't know why. I thought they were great. This one from Gregor Aish, Amanda Cox, and Kevin Quealy. I don't know if any of them are at the New York Times anymore. I know Gregor and Amanda have moved on to separate amazing positions, and I don't really know Kevin, so I don't know where Kevin is. But let's take a look at this one from the Times, just real quickly. This isn't the main part of this. I'm actually going to get over to the Berliner Morgenpost piece. This was the Times asking you to draw your guess for the relationship between parents' income and kids' income. So you got this fun little kind of 4 paragraphs at the front. Love what they actually put the lines in the paragraph here. But we get down here and you get to guess parents' income versus kids' income. And I'm just going to draw a straight line here, mostly straight, put it right up there. And then you say, I'm done. And look what you get. It shows you the line versus reality. And actually, if you scroll down, you got to see everybody else's guess, which was very cool. It was very cool. They did another one a little while later here. This was multiple ones. This is from Josh Katz in 2017. You could draw the lines, number of car accidents. I actually haven't done this one in a while, so I don't remember. So let's just draw car accidents going down. Let's see, how did I do here? Ooh, I did not do good at all. Didn't get that. So it didn't go as far as I thought. A little bit of text. What about number of people who have died from guns since 1990? Well, we're the US, so we're not very good on that. I'm going to keep clicking there. Oh, actually had a little bit of a drop, so I'm really not doing well on this. But as you can see, fun to draw on these graphs. Now let's head over to what the Berliner Morgenpost just did. This came out a little while ago. Draw the course of the Berlin Wall. Now, here's what's interesting. Of course, this has already been translated by Google Chrome into English for me. I don't actually really know the shape of the Berlin Wall, so this is kind of fun to play with. They've got a little detail up at the top, and then the cursor is a pencil. That's amazing. That is incredible. So let's actually try to draw this. I'm going to follow. Now I don't remember what they had. So something like this. I think it's going to go here, maybe along the river. I don't really know. And like that. And it looks like I'm done. It's going to, oh, I did pretty good. You can see it kind of cuts out here. Also notice all the other lines that are shown on top. So now the question is, I don't exactly know what these are. This can't be all the other lines, right? Because there's got to be hundreds or thousands or hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands of people using this. So I don't actually know what these lines are, but okay, I did more accurately than 78.4% of users. I can actually share this to Twitter and Facebook. Now this is new. Interesting, they still have Twitter here. I don't know what's going on here. I'm not sure Elon Musk will like that. Now here's the part that I like the most about this. You can actually explore the map right here. If we click, it brings us all the way down into the map itself. Now it's taking some time here. Oh, there it goes to render. And you can actually see where the wall was. And you can go back and forth and you can toggle between 1989 and today. So you can actually see it. I'm going to go all the way back, zip out, and now I'm going to go down. There's really not much of a story here. I mean, text. I mean, there is a story. There's not much text here, but you can see they actually have these kind of before and after pictures, which is really, really neat. If you've seen other news organizations do before and after pictures, there's sometimes a slider that you can play with, which could have been an interesting way to do this here. Of course, you need the picture sort of to be exact, so they probably don't have that. And then just a little bit more text here. But I love these draw it tools because you kind of get to play with it, draw it again, see if I remember. It cuts in like this, and then it kind of goes over here like this, and then comes down. And let's see, I click it, and ooh, I didn't do as well on that one. So I went a little too far west. So as you can see, this is a really nice visualization, a really nice way to engage people, get them to actually do something on your site, on your page, rather than clicking a search or a filter or a drop down. You get to do something pretty neat. So I think this is a great piece from the Berliner Morgenpost. I'm glad I found it. I hope you'll check it out. I put the links to all 3 of these sites in the show notes, in the episode notes to this video. So I hope you'll check those out. And thanks for tuning in to this DataViz critique on the PolicyViz YouTube channel.